Hello, welcome to Guidancy Education channel. In this video, we are continuing solids under class 12 chemistry. We will derive certain equations which are very important and also do some problems applying those equations. Come, let us see the topics. The topics discussed are derivation of relationship among nearest neighbor distance d, edge length a and radius r of particle in a unit cell. We will consider three cases: for simple cubic cell, face-centered cubic cell and body-centered cubic cell. We will also solve three problems related to the above topic. This topic is one of the favorite topics for examiners. So watch the video completely without skipping, and if you think the video is useful, like the video, share the video and also leave your comments in the comment box below. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now and also press the bell button so that you get intimated as soon as videos are posted. Thank you very much. Find the relation between the nearest neighbor distance d, edge length a of unit cell and radius r of the atom of pure elements. The distance between the two nearest particles, edge length of the unit cell and the size of the particle, that is the radius, are related to each other. We have to derive an expression for these. Problems based on these are asked for the examination. We will derive this relationship for three types of unit cells: simple cubic, face-centered cubic and body-centered cubic cells. Okay. For simple cubic unit cell, the distance AB shown as white dotted line is the edge length A. It is the distance from the center of the particle A to center of the particle B. In space filling structure, they are touching each other. So that is the distance between the nearest particles D. So D is equal to A, also equal to 2R. So therefore R is equal to D by 2. So for simple cubic unit cell, D is equal to A and R is equal to D by 2. For face-centered cubic unit cell, AC is the face diagonal. I have shown only one face-centered particle. Particle is present on all faces. This particle at the corner and this face-centered particle are the nearest. From the diagram it is clear it is half the distance of AC. D is equal to half AC. When we consider this right-angled triangle, AC is equal to root 2A. Click the I button to watch the video where I have already derived this expression. So this is equal to half root 2A. So D is equal to root 2A by 2. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. On simplification it becomes A by root 2. So D is equal to A by root 2. R is equal to D by 2, but D is equal to A by root 2. So R is equal to A by 2 root 2. So it's very easy. Now for body-centered cubic cell, AE is a body diagonal. These are the corner particles at one face. Particles are present on the other corners also. This is the body-centered particle. Distance between this body-centered particle and the particle at the corner is distance D, that is distance of nearest particle. From the diagram it is clear that it is half of AE, the body diagonal. We already know that body diagonal is equal to root 3A. Click the I button and clear your doubts regarding this if you have any. So D is equal to root 3A divided by 2. R is equal to D by 2 equal to root 3A by 2 into 2 equal to 4. That is root 3A by 4. Let us sum up. For simple cubic unit cell, D is equal to A and R is equal to D by 2. For face-centered cubic cell, D is equal to A by root 2 and R is equal to A by 2 into root 2. For body-centered, D is equal to root 3A by 2 and R is equal to root 3A by 4. Keep these points at fingertips to do problems with great ease. If the radius of the atom of BCC pattern crystal is 75 picometer, find the edge length. We have to find edge length from radius of the atom 75 picometer. The pattern is BCC. For BCC, radius R is equal to root 3A by 4. From this, A is equal to 4R by root 3. Edge length A is equal to 4 into 75 by root 3, equal to 4 into 75 by 1.732, equal to 173.2 picometer. For crystals of ionic compounds, the calculation process becomes slightly different. In this problem, there is only one type of particle. This is a very simple question. Now, next problem. An element crystallizes in FCC lattice and its edge length is 620 picometer. What is the nearest neighbor distance and what is the radius? So, we have to calculate D and R. The edge length is given as 620 picometer. Lattice is FCC. For FCC, D is equal to A by root 2. A is given. A is equal to 620. Root 2 is equal to 1.414. So, this is equal to 620 by 1.414. On simplification, this becomes 438.5 picometer. This is the nearest neighbor distance. That is the distance between the particles which are the most close to each other. We know R is equal to D by 2. For FCC, R is equal to A by 2 root 2. A by root 2 is D. So, this is D. So, D by 2. So, substituting for D, we have 438.5 divided by 2 equal to 219.3. We will choose 4 significant figures. So, D is equal to 438.5 picometer. R is equal to 219.3 picometer. It is very easy. Copper chloride crystallizes in BCC pattern with edge length 400 picometer. Calculate the interionic distance in copper chloride. This is the body-centered cubic cell. The crystal given in the problem is a crystal of a compound, an ionic compound. There are two different particles, the chloride ion particles and the copper ion particles. The negative ions, namely the chloride ions, occupy the corners and the body-centered particle is the copper positive ion. The corners of the cubic cell is marked as A, B, C, D and E. Half of the distance AE is the distance between chloride ion and copper ion. We have to calculate that. DE represents the phase diagonal and AE is the body diagonal. We know DE, the phase diagonal, is equal to root 2A. From the triangle DEC, we can calculate that. From the right angled triangle DCE, DE is equal to root of DC square plus CE square, which is nothing but root of A square plus A square, that is root of 2A square, which can be written as root 2A. So, DE is equal to root 2A. For body diagonal, AE is equal to root of 2a square plus a square from right angled triangle ADE, because DE square is equal to 2a square, which is equal to root 3a. From the diagram we can understand interionic distance is equal to half AE. Substituting for A, we get AE is equal to root 3 into 400 picometer. But interionic distance is half AE. So this becomes equal to root 3 into 200, which is equal to 346.4 picometer. So interionic distance is equal to 346.4 picometer. In this video, we have done 3 problems related to nearest neighbor distance, edge length of the unit cell, radius of the particle. I hope you have understood all these points thoroughly well. We will meet in the next video with another important topic. Thank you very much.